Hello and welcome to Vlog 2 relating to a technical model of the clean and jerk. Prior to completing a more in-depth analysis of the clean and jerk, the next section will show the entirety of the movement in 3 planes. The vlog has 2 main focuses. One, providing a brief overview of the technical model with attention to the key aspects of the lift and specific cues a strength and conditioning coach would use with an athlete. And secondly, critique the footage, identifying limitations and offering solutions to correct these deficiencies. The clean and jerk has 9 components relating to the technical model, and in this next section I will go through each one in more detail. The start position. The head should remain forward, the back in a neutral position, and the hips should be higher than knees. The bar should be directly above the eyelets of shoes, the bar remains close to shins, and the elbows remain locked out, tracking along the bar. Finally, thoracic spine should be extended and chest is up and out. 2. The first pull. Tighten all muscles in start position and breathe in. Extend at the knees, maintaining a straight back position. The bar remains close to shins and travels back slightly. The first pull is complete when the shins are vertical and the bar is above the knees. 3. Transition. Extend at the hips, bringing the torso into a more upright position. Simultaneously, rebend the knees, pushing them underneath the bar. Finish in a jump position with the bar brushing against the mid-thighs. 4. The second pull. Extend at the ankles, knees and hips in an explosive jump action. Complete a violent shoulder shrug with the bar remaining close to the torso. The second pull is complete with a full triple extension, shoulder shrug and arms straight. 5. The catch. At the highest point of the second pull, begin to flex at the elbows. Transfer body weight downwards, rotating the elbows and wrists around the bar. Land in a front squat position with the bar supported on the anterior delts and the elbows pointing forward. And finally, land in a slightly wider stance to allow for greater depth. 6. The recovery. Leading with the chest, drive upwards through the heels by triple extension of the ankles, knees and hips. Breathe out as a rect stance is achieved. 7. The jerk drive. From a catch position, flex at the ankles, knees and hips in a rapid but controlled manner to start a quarter squat. Rapidly change direction by triple extending the ankles, knees and hips in a jump action. Using the upward momentum, shrug the shoulders aggressively, retract the chin so the bar can travel vertically. 8. The jerk catch. From a triple extended position, simultaneously split the legs, sliding them explosively to finish in a lunge position. At the same time, continue to extend the arms until straight with the bar above the crown of head. 9. The jerk recovery. Bring the back foot back to the center line. Feet should finish shoulder width apart with the arms fully extended overhead. Moving into part 2 of the vlog, relating to the critique of the footage, I have identified 2 main aspects relating to 1. The second pull and 2. The jerk. Firstly, the second pull. As discussed in the technical model, the second pull relates to an explosive triple extension of the ankles, knees and hips, facilitating maximum velocity and peak power at this stage. As demonstrated on the still footage, full triple extension is not achieved and thus inhibiting max velocity and peak power. The 2 main exercises I would look to utilise in order to correct this limitation would be firstly the clean shrug, and this would allow for full triple extension and a full shoulder shrug. The second exercise I would utilise is the hang high pull, and once again this is to facilitate the appropriate positions the athlete needs to get into. The second area of focus relates to the jerk aspect of the movement. And as seen here, the barbell travels behind the lifter's centre of mass and is not located above the crown of the head. Furthermore, the athlete finishes in quite a tall position, and when we combine all 3, this places the athlete in a weak position and will limit the amount of load one can lift. An initial corrective exercise I would look to implement would be the split push press.
and this would teach the athlete a good split jerk position along with the bar location under load. And as the still footage demonstrates, the bar remains over the athlete's head, enabling a positive centre and mass, placing the athlete in an advantageous position to maximise load potential.